Earth is divided into four main systems called spheres. These spheres work together by constantly moving matter and energy between them. This teamwork shapes Earth's surface and makes it a place where living things can survive. Earth is made up of four spheres: the Biosphere, Hydrosphere, Atmosphere, and Geosphere. Each sphere is a separate part of Earth, but they also affect each other. You can tell them apart by looking at what they are made of. The Biosphere includes all living things on Earth. Life can be found almost everywhere, from deep under the ocean to high in the mountains. The Biosphere is made up of plants, animals, fungi, and tiny organisms like bacteria. Humans are also part of the Biosphere. Living things in the Biosphere depend on each other. For example, people eat plants or animals to get energy. When living things die, their nutrients are broken down by bacteria and other decomposers. These nutrients go into the soil, where plants can absorb them to grow. The Biosphere is full of systems that work together to support life. The Hydrosphere includes all the water on Earth, such as oceans, rivers, lakes, ice, and water vapor. Water exists in three forms: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. The Hydrosphere helps control Earth's temperature. For instance, water absorbs heat from the sun, while snow and ice reflect sunlight. Without the Hydrosphere, Earth would have extreme temperatures, making it too hot or too cold for life. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds Earth. It has 5 layers, and the one closest to Earth, called the troposphere, is where weather happens. This includes clouds, rain, and snow. The atmosphere also protects Earth. It blocks dangerous rays from the sun and keeps the planet warm enough for living things to survive. It provides oxygen for animals and carbon dioxide for plants, both of which are needed for life. The Geosphere is made of all the solid and liquid rocks and metals that form Earth. It includes layers like the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The Geosphere contains big rocks like mountains and small pieces like grains of sand. The minerals in the Geosphere are important for life. They provide nutrients to the soil, which helps plants grow. Minerals are made of crystals, which have repeating patterns of shapes. How the spheres work together: the Biosphere, Hydrosphere, Atmosphere, and Geosphere all depend on each other. Together, they create the conditions that make Earth a good home for living things.